Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I've got something special for you. This is powerful Mstick 4 from Mgear, and the Mgear is a sponsor of today's video, so thank you very much. But as usual, you will get my 100% honest opinions. This device you can find only on the official store, and the link of course you will find on the description under my video. You cannot find this device on any cheap auction, any cheap shop, so this is something completely different. Okay, let's start from unboxing. Alright guys, so let me open this device, the box actually, and it's not easy just because, like I said before, this device or the box is quite solid. It's not something like a very cheap paper or cheap box. Inside there you will find some information about the device. Okay, how to set up. You can just download the app and you will get everything, which I will show you on the next few seconds or few minutes. So that's about the warranty, and inside there, look at that. That's quite nice, nicely designed, very premium I will say. So that's the device itself. That's the cables. Okay, you've got USB port C and the standard one and port C. But what is interesting, just look at that, all the cables also are made from high quality material. Even the plastic cover or rubber cover is not made from cheap rubber. This is something like a little bit premium I will say. Yeah, I like the details, I really like it. Also you've got another few cables. It's plenty of cables I will say, and this cable is quite interesting. Just look at that. This is something like the old-fashioned old school cable for computer monitor. Yeah, we've got something like this years ago. I will say the cable looks great. This one looks like a little bit retro style, but I love it. Okay, let's take a look at the device, the main device. So that's the Mstick 4, which is quite light. It's not heavy. Okay, so that's the front, that's the back, the side, that's the air vents. That's mean this device, even you will plug into your car for a couple hours, this device will be always cold and never will be get overheating. So that's great. You've got slot for memory card, but let's be honest, you don't need memory card because this device, as you can see somewhere here, has look at that, 6 GB RAM and 128 GB the main memory. All right, so that's microcomputer, like I said before. That's the slot from your SIM card if you need, but let's be honest, you don't need it because you can just connect this device together with your internet from your car or from your phone. Okay, let me plug in and let's check how long we're gonna wait till this device will connect it with the car system. Yeah, it's done. All right, so let's do it. Start. Should be something like 22 seconds. I tested before, so hopefully it will be the same. Okay, we've got already blue light there, and there we go. Yes, we are in. We are in. Before I go to the main menu, I will first show you a screen mirror, but not the one you know from other devices. Here you can clone the screen from your car to your phone, and without touching the car screen, operate all the Mstick function from your phone. Such a great solution. Let me know in the comment below what you think about it. I will go to this feature later on. So brightness, you can do auto or manual, it's fine. Here everything is fine. Large, you can just change the display size, that's fine. Tablet display size. Change the wallpaper. Okay, as you can see right now, so we can choose, for example, choose this one. Yeah, you need to just accept, done, apply, bang, job done. Very simple, very easy. Or also you can use some of your picture. Let me use this cat here. Let's look at that, apply, and we've got our cat on the screen. Quite nice, very simple, I like it. Okay, let's go back to the system and yeah, I love it. I love it. It's much clearer, I will say, especially for to making video. Also wallpapers, privacy and other stuff. Okay, if you want to use the wallpaper from your music albums or whatever, you need to active this feature, view Bluetooth audio album art. So that's mean if you go to, for example, to the music, you can do it from the phone or just like that, Bluetooth. Okay, and as you can see, that's the music. Okay, and I just use something like that, the wallpaper Mstick 4, and it will be here. Let me now go through all the menu from the system, because that's quite interesting. But before that, I need to show you, that's why I need to record on this camera, because I need to show you some very clever feature in this system. In this application you got lots of options about your music, but also you can adjust for yourself in your car. Just look at that. What you have to do, you can just watch the preview scanning the QR code, or just do it on very simple way. Let me try. Okay, I know that will be a little bit strange, but it's how it's supposed to be done. Okay, so next. So as you can see, now you need to connect with the Mgear Go. Okay, so that's mean you need to open or connect with your application, the system. All right, we are in. Okay, turn off the air condition, close all window, park in quiet place, just because the system need to hear, actually the application need to hear the sound from the car. And how that's work? Okay, so I will just put the camera here just to show you exactly how that's work, and I will just press the other camera just to show you what to do. Right, should be all right. Okay, so first of all, if the window are closed, if you are on some quiet place, the air condition is off. Okay, so you need to just press next. Then you have to hold your phone like that on the level of your face level, and then when you turn next, you need to just adjust the volume up and down. All right. Step by step, don't focus on the number, just raise the volume gradually. Once it's loud enough, the tuning process begins. It adjusts the sound to match your hearing preference. As you can see, the interface is clean and simple, classic Android. On the left side you will notice some unique touch buttons. Tap or swipe down to bring up the quick setting menu. From here you can manage internet, screen rotation, sound, location, everything's easy to reach. Below that you will see recently opened apps. Let's open Google Maps. Everything runs super smooth and fast. The response is instant. The only thing that might slow you down is your internet connection. Now for one of my favorite features, split screen. You can divide the screen into two the same parts or adjust it however you want. You can watch the video on one side and use the map on the other, just like in the cinema.
So listen, today's gonna be hard. Let's all go home with the same amount of fingers that we came with. Let's get it.
As you can see, YouTube also works great. Smooth playback, no delays. it gets even better. You can run up to 3 apps on the one screen. Just take a look. Let's open split screen and keep running navigation. You can move or resize sat-nav window. It's fast, smooth and very intuitive. You can even create your own custom home screen. Just drag up to the right and make a new page and arrange them how you like. Let's go back to the main menu. As you can see, you can easily switch between Android and iOS phone, but for full functionality, the Android device is recommended. Another great feature is the individual volume control for each app. One more important point. Compared to the other Android boxes based on the QACOM 6225, this device is much faster. It runs smoother and opens up quicker. To sum up, the Mstick 4 is a completely different level. It's fast, fluid and packed with features. Most importantly, even after a few hours of use, it stays cool. This isn't same cheap gadget that overheats after 20 minutes. Everything here runs smoothly and perfectly. And let's be honest, this device has plenty of features and plenty of application. If I want to show you everything step by step, I will need to make the video at least 2 hours or even longer. But what is the point? I'll try to show you everything what is more important, and hopefully that's enough for you. Alright, so and that's all about Mstick from Mgear. Thank you very much to Mgear for this device. Please let me know in the comment below what you think about it, what you think about this device, what you think about my review. As usual, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, take care of yourself and your four wheels and your devices.